Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Panda. Today we are going to be talking about Bitcoin and the whole crypto market. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and also join my Telegram group. So moving on, the whole market is just green right now. Bitcoin just pumped 40,000 right now. Ethereum is also looking good, but let's see if this is something real or what's happening with the news. So let's move on into the news. First, this is Coindesk. The first thing which uh, is a headline for me was U.S. inflation rises to 7.9% in February, fresh for decade high. So this is something uh, was something very important for me and the whole crypto market. So Bitcoin seeing some investors as a hedge against rising prices or dollar evaluation was little change after the consumer price index report, which closely matched economists' expectations. So this just got updated yesterday. 7.9% is quite high for inflation. Uh, and if we look at the charts right here, Bitcoin is pumping right now as we speak. $40,200. This is something we gotta see if it, because it's a 50-minute chart. Anything above 40,350, I would do a long, and I can do a short from right over here if you're gonna see some rejection. The price just pumped right now, so I'm not sure if it is going to be just a manipulation in the market or what's going on, because I'm a little bit afraid of these wicks. We got a wick right over here, and we are expecting another wick. So if you guys can see, we are having this rejection right over here at 39,654, and Bitcoin is coming back. So let's see what happens. I have more to discuss with you guys. Let's see. AVAX is also pumping. There's a lot of good news with AVAX. On a 1 hourly chart, it's breaking out. And let's see, hopefully it's not going to be a fake one. And I'm expecting that this is going to come back down below if Bitcoin is coming back down, which I really do think like that. Because why am I saying this? Let's see, right over here. Guys, Solana, where's Solana? Solana is at $83. 80 to $82 was a good buy, and it's going to be a swing trade till for a week or two, and I'm expecting this to go to at least, it will give you a 10% easy on spot. So targets would be $88 to $92. Anything under this 84.279, I'm not going to be so much interested, but this is something, if you guys want to trade this, easy buy at $80 to $82, and then just expect for it to bounce. So Bitcoin, the market looks very choppy, to be honest. These wicks are just for, I'm not sure, like there's a lot of manipulation in the market going on, and market is not reacting so much. In 3 hours time, the US stock market is going to open, and it's Friday. I'm not anticipating that this is going to be something so huge. If we look at other news, first mover Asia, India loses foreign investment, Chinese indices continue a downward trend. Cryptos suffer an off day. So Bitcoin, really whatever happened with Bitcoin a week ago, if we look at the daily chart, we are at a neutral position. Nothing really changed. It is you guys can see, the price pumped all the way to 45,400, but nothing really changed. We are seeing some rejection right over here at $42,000, and the next big rejection is going could be at $43,000. So this is something which we have to keep an eye on. Bitcoin is trading at this area, and I think it's going to be a decision time. The Bitcoin is actually going to go downwards to 32,000, but we have the support right over here at 36 and 35,000 right over here. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to go to $37,000, but right now it's going to be safe. If you're at the sidelines, then it's good. And what I predict, see, the price is coming down. So it was just a wick. If you guys have shorted at that price, it would be a nice trade right now on a 50x. That would be a nice deal. So you guys have to, if you guys are trading, but you see on a 15-minute chart it's breaking out, and the RSI is a little bit higher. Okay, so the altcoin trade which I'm gonna give you guys is going to be Solana. Solana is a little bit right now, it's expensive, but I'm anticipating that it's going to come back down below. 80 and $82 range is going to be something to look forward to. On 15-minute chart, since everything is following Bitcoin right now, it's kind of hyped up, and I'm anticipating it's going to come down over the weekend. Something to look out for is going to be the stock market, US stock market, guys. If you want to be successful, you have to keep an eye on what is going around the world. There's a lot of news about we are having some talks between Russia and Ukraine, and that is going to be something to look. So these are some old news. Biden's executive order calls for highest urgency on CBDC's research and development. Nothing really changed. Um, Something to look out for is going to be something I'm going to show you in a second. We gotta see, and this is something which no one really thinks about, but grayscale. What is the price of grayscale? Uh, Give me 1 second. So grayscale is GBTC. It's a index fund for like higher investors. So this is something is concerning me that, see, for the big whales and the big investors, why would they buy Bitcoin in an open market at these prices? It's 39,983 again, but this is something is very concerning, and this is why I feel like Bitcoin is going to be heading downwards, because the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is at $26. So why would big investors are going to buy Bitcoin in the open market when they can get it for almost 30-40% discount? So that is something which you guys should look, and these are something which I have to look as well. that Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, it's at $26. So this is something concerning for Bitcoin, because right now whatever is happening is just uh, unbelievable, and it's because of the you cannot really predict this market because it's being too choppy. So I would say, like, again, if it's going to come at 40,200, you guys can add up your positions and can short it. But if it's gonna go to 40,350, we are going. You guys can do a long and sell it at the resistance, which is going to be around this mark, 42,000, or even at 41,000, 42,400. You can see the resistance right here. That when bit at 41,994, I'm anticipating that it will be a nice quick trade because of so much volatility in the market. Let's see, another thing which I have to talk about. So I've given you guys the trade for Solana. AVAX is nice, but I feel like we just gotta wait and see how the market is going to revolve over the weekend. Bitcoin dominance. So if you guys can see, some of the altcoins are increasing. It's because of this reason that Bitcoin dominance was at 44% yesterday, and right now 43.36. So when this is gonna happen, I feel like alts are going to increase, but when the Bitcoin is going to go down, I'm anticipating the whole alt market is gonna come down too with it. So these are my analysis for today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel right over here, and also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and join my Telegram group. So have a nice day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.